Hey guys, Jeff and Ben here from Passive Income Unlocked, and in this video we are announcing the Passive Income Unlocked protocol, which is a course that we've been working on for almost a year now. So if this is the first time you've heard about this course, it's really just because Ben and I are really bad at sales and marketing. We probably should have told you about this a long time ago, but instead we just figured we'd work on it till it's done and then just throw it out there.
Our goal with this video is to simply make you aware that the course is available and to answer some of the questions that you probably have. Like Jeff said, we aren't very good at sales and marketing, so we're just going to let the course speak for itself over time.
So the first thing you might be wondering is why we decided to make a course in the first place. After all, there are a lot of really good courses out there already. Basically, we saw a need for a straightforward course at a more affordable rate. A lot of the courses out there are simply too expensive for many of you to justify, so we wanted to create something that could reach a bigger audience.
With this course, you're going to get a step-by-step walkthrough of our process with zero fluff. Keeping everything straight to the point was one of our main goals going into this. Now that's not to say the course is short. It ended up being over 10 hours worth of video, almost all of which is over-the-shoulder tutorials.
On top of the video content, you'll also get access to several checklists and templates that we've created to help streamline the process of building a niche site. We use many of these templates ourselves, and they're a big part of our day-to-day workflow.
Throughout the course, we also go through the process of building a site from scratch using a fresh domain name. We also go through tons of steps using our case study site as a real-world example of how do we build niche sites. And when I say case studies, this is what Jeff's been talking about for the last year, 6 months. And we will reveal that site in this course.
So throughout the course, we will go through all three of these sites at different times, and our goal by doing that is basically to give you the best idea of how to accomplish whatever it is we're trying to show you. So the last thing you'll get with this course is access to our private community. This will obviously start really small, but will grow over time. Either way, Ben and I will be in there answering your questions all the time.
So if you're wondering what kind of results can you expect by following the steps in this course, we're not going to sugarcoat it. You're going to get what you put into it. There are a ton of factors that impact the success rate with a niche site. If you put the work in and do enough things right, your chances of building a successful site are very high.
So if you take a look at the first year, you'll notice there's basically zero traffic for the first several months. After the first couple of months, the page views took off exponentially and grew quickly to over 100,000 page views per month.
This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. No matter what course you take, you have to go in with realistic expectations that it will take several months to get traction, possibly up to a year or more before you start making some real money from your site.
As far as how much money can you make, it can vary significantly based on a lot of factors. But reaching $1,000 to $5,000 a month isn't out of the question by any means.
We have 3 ways that we like to monetize those informational sites. All right, so let's get to the most important question on people's minds, and that's the cost. So like we said, we've tried to price this course to make it as affordable as possible while being realistic with how much work we put into it. With that being said, we're offering 2 payment plans for launch, and these are introductory rates, so just know that they will go up over time.
The 2 options are either $150 a year or $90 every 6 months. If you look at the cost of other courses out there, you'll see that we've priced this pretty low. Basically, you can get full access to the course for under $100 if you go with the 6 months plan. If you got what you need at that point, feel free to cancel.
So to recap, for less than $100, you can get access to over 10 hours of step-by-step video walking you through our exact process for building niche sites. Also, you get several templates and checklists that you can download, and you get access to our private community as well.
If you're interested and want to check it out, we've put a link in the description below. If you have questions, either post them below or shoot us an email at course@passiveincomeunlocked.com.
Guys, we put a ton of time and effort in this course. We hope you check it out. We think you'll get a lot of value out of it.
All right, I think that's probably enough about this course for now. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Thanks, guys.